how to quickly create colourful stripes in Photoshop. What you need to do is go over here, select the gradient tool, then go up here and select gradient option, click here and select a basic gradient. Once you've got that, go to the methods and select stripes. Then simply click the document just at the top and drag down vertically, hold down the shift and bottom release. Then go to view and then go to guides and new guide layout. Select that, go and select something like 10 and set 1 for the columns, click OK, then go back to the gradient and hover just slightly away but on the line on this guide, click and then repeat this all the way down. You can see then it creates a stop all the way down there. Once you've done that, go to each of them and then double click. Brings up the colour picker, select a colour, click OK, go to this one, double click and select a colour, click OK, go to this one, repeat all the way down, and then once you're finished, go up to layer and then flatten image, and then go to view, guides and clear guides. And there you have it, very quick stripes in Photoshop. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments. Bye.